Is your English better in your head than when you speak? You know the words, but speaking feels difficult. That's because speaking is a skill, and skills improve with practice. Today, let's practice English together at the market. Listen carefully to each sentence and repeat each sentence out loud. If you need more time, pause the video and practice speaking before moving to the next sentence. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. Let's begin. Hello, everyone. Today, I am at the market. I need to buy some food. The market is very busy. There are many people here, but I am ready to start shopping. First, I need some fruit. I am looking for apples. These apples look fresh. They are red and shiny. I think I will buy these. Now I need some bananas. These bananas look good. They are fresh and yellow. I would like a dozen bananas. Let's add them to my basket. I should also buy some oranges. They smell wonderful. There are many things to buy here. I can see vegetables everywhere, and the market is clean and organized. Now, let's go buy some vegetables. I need some tomatoes. These tomatoes look so fresh, and the price is also very reasonable. I also need some potatoes. I found everything I needed. I enjoyed shopping today. Now it's time to go home. Great job! If you enjoyed this lesson, practice it again and speak every sentence out loud. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more English speaking practice. See you in the next lesson.